In these sections, we're looking at deep reinforcement learning. Here is the outline of these sections. First, we look at why we need to care about deep reinforcement learning. And next, we are looking at what is the deep reinforcement learning. And then the third, we are going to looking at what is the deep Q network. The last, we are going to train a deep Q network for solving carpool problem using Caffe2. In this video, we're looking at why deep reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is one important direction of machine learning, where agents learn how to behave in an environment by performing actions and seeing the result. Think about agent is like a brain, and it takes certain actions, and the environment gives its reward or punishment based on the state and the actions. So receiving this kind of signals, the brain basically adjusts its kind of behavior for the next time it's taking actions. The rational way of thinking about this is to maximize the reward signals. Imagine you are training a dog. The dogs obviously expect to receive more food, and the trainers basically expect the dog to behave certain actions. For example, as the picture shows, the trainers ask for sit. And if the dog takes the correct action, which is to sit, and the dog further receive some kind of food reward signals, and it basically reinforces the ideas. Okay, if I see these states, I should take this action. So deep learning comes into the play. It's like you think about replace the perception systems of the dogs. And so let's say we have the neural networks preserve the state, which is the trainers ask you to sit, and then these deep neural networks basically output the actions, which is the sit, and then the whole kind of process basically makes it to trying to adjust the actions so that we would maximize the reward signal. Deep reinforcement learning has lots of fascinating results in the recent years. DeepMind won over the champion of Game of Go with AlphaGo in 2016 and 2017. OpenAI won human players of Game of Daughters recently. To recap, I hope these examples motivate you to learn deep reinforcement learning. Deep reinforcement learning has lots of exciting results, and it's a very important direction of machine learning.